Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore washer and electric dryer matching set. Right now I've got the washer set up, going on a heavy duty cycle, full submersion on the clothes there. Pretty heavy jeans and towel load it's working on. You can hear it agitating. Of course you see the lid switch works. You lift that up and it shuts it down. Washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked and everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale here. Then I do this video as if you were standing here yourself testing it out. You can see everything works great. I've showed you that obviously it fills up with water, agitation works. I'll show you that the water drains out and it's got a nice smooth fast spin cycle there at the end. So we'll go ahead and pause this and let it move through the wash cycle. We'll come back. Alright, just switched out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. You can hear it draining that water out nice and fast. And once it's done draining all the water out, it switches over to a spin on the rinse cycle, and it'll fill back up with clean water, agitate again, rinse, and then we'll be on the final spin, which is the next thing we'll come back here for. Okay, and we're back on that final spin cycle. I've given it just a minute here to get to full speed. Now when I lift the lid up, it's going to put the brakes on. It's a safety feature with the lid switch. So we'll go ahead and show you that here. Otherwise, you would never typically open this. See there, spinning nice and fast. Comes to a complete stop. And it'll get right back up to speed. So we'll go ahead and let that finish out. Move on to the dryer.